Renting a car in Tahiti can transform your trip into an adventure, but here's the first tip. Book your car in advance. Tahiti's allure means vehicles get snapped up quickly, especially during peak season. By booking online before your trip, you'll secure the car you want and might even snag a discount. Choose a vehicle that fits your travel plans, whether it's a compact car for city cruising or an SUV for the island's rugged terrains. Next, let's talk about driving conditions. Tahiti's roads can be narrow and winding, and driving on the right may be new to some. The local driving culture is laid back, so patience is key. Before you start your engine, get to know the traffic rules and have a GPS or map app ready. If driving isn't your thing, consider guided tours or shuttles for a stress-free exploration of Tahiti's stunning landscapes. Now onto fees and insurance. Car rentals can come with surprises like airport pickup charges or one-way rental fees. And while basic insurance is included, it might not cover all your activities, especially off the beaten path. Opt for additional insurance for peace of mind. Always read the rental agreement thoroughly and ask questions to avoid unexpected costs when you return the car. Lastly, be mindful of parking and gas stations. In popular spots like Papiti, parking can be scarce, so plan your stops and carry local currency for fees. Gas stations aren't as widespread as you might be used to, so fill up when you can, especially before heading into remote areas. Remember these tips for a smooth car rental experience in Tahiti. With a little planning and awareness, you'll be ready to hit the road and create unforgettable memories in this tropical paradise. And if you need assistance, Far and Away Adventures is here to help with all your travel needs. Contact us to start planning your dream Tahitian adventure today. Book with a Tahiti specialist at Far and Away Adventures.